Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. The vehicle has 133,000 miles on it. Now that flickering is just in camera, not in person. So far it drives nice and straight. The steering wheel doesn't have a shimmy to it. I would say it's a little loose in a sense, where you can move it around a little bit and it still goes straight. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel does not shake. The brakes feel good. Power steering feels good. It has an awesome turning radius. The suspension is smooth. So far it drives great. I don't have any complaints with it. It drives really nice for the miles and year. Very impressed. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, the front face of it is in really good condition. I don't see any curb rash. That looks really nice. Now, of course, you go down into the barrel, it's pitted, and that's super common for these chrome wheels. Tires look good. Here on the fender, that looks awesome. You're gonna have little chips and little imperfections every once in a while. A couple chips there. Got a gash there, a little small impacts from rocks, a little bug etching. A couple rock chips here. A few chips every once in a while there, a couple here. Overall, though, those doors look good. Now down here, you do have some rash on that section. Looking at the face of this wheel, you can see some imperfections in the chrome there. And then, of course, you're going to have the pitting there. But for the most part, for the year of this vehicle, that wheel looks awesome. Those tires look good. Little scuffs and scratches here and there. Overall, though, this side looks really nice. Here on the front end, the headlights, the top section is fading. It's a little cloudy. That lower section looks nice. Got some rock chips here. Looking across the hood, overall looks really clean. A few small rock chips every once in a while. I see a small ding there. For the most part, though, that hood looks really good. This is cloudy here on the top section. For the most part, that bottom side looks good. You can see the fading here on that emblem. Looking at the grill, I don't see any damage. A couple rock chips there. You have some gashes here. Little gashes every once in a while. Here on the engine bay, all those stickers look nice. Looking at the back here, you can see that liner ripped. This cover looks good. Couple stains, few small rips on the liner here. Otherwise, this engine bay looks good. Here on the driver's side, looking at that fender and the flare. Overall, that looks awesome. I don't see any curb rash on the wheel. Once again, you're gonna have little flaws here and there, but for the most part, that looks nice. Got a gash right here. A-pillar looks good. Typical little scuffs here and there. For the most part, that door looks nice. Those look good. Little chips. Looking at the quarter panel, that looks good. Face of that wheel looks nice. All right, here on the back side, starting with this trim piece, looks like it was bowing up, so there's some sort of bolt in it, and it is cracked, and there's some damage on the inside there, which you can't see very easy. This is all spider cracked. And then same with this section. You have some gashes. You have some deeper gashes here and some damage. Some scratches there. Overall, that tail light looks good. This emblem is faded, but for the most part, that looks nice. Same with that upper section. And looking back here, that carpet looks nice. The seat backs look good. That plastic is in good condition. And this is a manual close tailgate here. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now you do have some cracks there. You have some discoloration here and some wear. Those buttons look good. All of that's nice and clean. The speaker cover looks good. Now in this section, that carpet looks nice, but here on the plastic, you can see a crack there, and it is busted inside. Typical little scuffs here. Overall, that carpet looks great. You do have the wear on the seat and the deeper wrinkles. I don't see any rips though. A couple scuffs. Typical wear here on that bolster. Once again, I don't see any rips. You have some scratches and scuffs on that console there. Here on the steering wheel, you have stains. You have some wear here. Upper section looks good. Those buttons look nice. The gauges are clean. All of those buttons look really good. Same here. Here on the front right door panel, that wood looks good. All these buttons are pretty much perfect. A couple scuffs on the handle, a few scuffs here. That pocket looks nice. Carpet looks good. Looking at that trim, overall nice and clean. That looks good. Of course, you're gonna have your wrinkles and typical wear here, but for the most part, that's in really good condition. Couple scuffs, a little bit of wear on this side, a couple stains. You have some wear right there. For the most part, that upper dash looks good. You do have a crack right here. You got the big DVD player, got the sunroof, and for the most part, that headliner looks good. Here on the back right door panel, looks good. Kick plate area is clean. That seat back looks nice. Of course, typical wrinkles, a little bit of wear. A couple small stains every once in a while, but that looks good. And then here on the back, you still have your headrests. Those are flipped down. Here on the back of the console, you can see some of that material is kind of flaking off. A few stains.